Good morning, students. Class 5. I am Vijay Kumar Jha. Today I am going to teach you English Literature Lesson 5. Your topic name is How Kasia Met Kapila. This is its second part. Presently, you have to take care about question answer. Question number A and B of this lesson had been taught in previous slide to you. This time, take care about question number C. There is instruction here. Read these sentences from the story and answer the questions that follow. Question number 1 it is. There is a quotation of the story. I will lie down here and have a nap. Don't go away, but keep an eye on the kettle until I wake up. Now, there is a question. Who said these words and to whom? The written sentence has been spoken by whom? Who has spoken and to whom it has been spoken to? Your answer is here. Kapila said these words to Kasia. Presently, this time in the story, Kapila is a cowherd boy of a rich man, and at the time to uh, watch, to care the cattle, he felt drowsy and there only started taking a nap. And at that time there was his friend also, Cassia, whom he told to keep an eye till he wake up. So write down answer. Kapila said these words to Cassia. Question number B. What strange thing happened when the speaker was taking a nap? Here write down answer. When the speaker was taking a nap, a cobra came from the jungle nearby and spreading its hood over Kapila's head, sheltered him from the sun's rays. Dear students, take care here. At the time when Kapila was taking a nap, a snake came and spreaded its hood to protect Kapila from the sun rays, gave him a shelter by its hood. So write down this answer. Now question number C it is. How did the other person react when the strange thing happened? At the time when the snake had spreaded its hood over Kapila's head, there was no harm to him. The snake protected Kapila from sun rays. To see that, what was the other person's reaction? Here, write down answer. When the strange thing happened, the other persons reacted that Kapila would one day be a king. It was good sign for him. Being protected by a snake's hood is good omen for good sign for anyone. People started talking that one day he would be a king. Now question number D. What does keep an eye on means? Tick the correct options. Here keep an eye on is a phrase. It means to look after someone or something. That's why you have to tick the correct option, option number 3rd. Write down in your answer as it is written. Keep an eye on, put it under inverted comma, means to look after someone or something, means option number 3rd is correct. Now take care question number 2. Here there is a quotation line of the story. But I must see the king by hook or by crook. If only I can meet him, all shall be well. Now, here it the line. Now, this line is related with the story, and there is a question: who is the speaker? Who has spoken this line? Now, write down answer. Cassia is the speaker. Cassia has spoken this sentence. And one more question in this: who was the king? So write down here: Kapila was the king. At the time when Cassia knew that Kapila became the king, came to meet him, but he was forbidden, and he made himself bold by telling that he would meet him by hook or crook, and after that everything will be well. So write down answer. Cassia is the speaker, Kapila was the king. Now, why did the speaker wish to meet the king? Write down answer here. The speaker wished to meet the king to follow his words. What did he do next to meet the king? Here it is. At night, like a thief, Cassia scaled over the palace wall. He was quickly caught and produced before the king the next morning to meet the king. Now, last question it is: what happened when he was produced before the king? Write down here. When he was produced before the king did not recognize him. But when Cassia told the snake story as a cowherd, the king recognized and appointed him as one of the king's ministers and his chief advisor. So, in this way, my dear students, I hope you will make a fair copy of all these questions. You will remember it also, and you will face the examination that is going to be happen very near. Your exam is also at hand, so take care to remember and make fair such questions as your time is going to be over. Thank you for today.